silent, massive, and moving beneath the world's busiest sea. You're watching Times XP. My name is Dhrityatri, and this is not a science fiction. This is not a movie trailer. This is the new fear that is quietly gripping Washington. China's secret mega drone, hidden underwater and potentially world-changing. Deep below the waves, far from the satellites, far from the radar, China is testing, and that too something big. Not just large, extra large. They are calling it XXLUUVS. That name sounds technical, almost boring. But don't be fooled here. These are unmanned submarines as long as a bus, sometimes even longer. No crew, no windows, no human life on board. Just machines, algorithms, and orders. According to report that is shaking the US defense circles, these underwater giants, they can do three terrifying things. A. Lay sea mines. B. Fire torpedoes. And C. Disappear without a trace. Now pause for a moment, because this is where it gets serious. American analysts fear that these drones could operate near US West Coast ports, the Panama Canal, major global trade routes, places where the world's economy breathes. Can you imagine this for a moment? No missile, no explosions on day one. Just ports quietly blocked, ships unable to move, in fact, supply chains frozen. Los Angeles, Long Beach, Seattle, ports that power America's trade, and that too worldwide. Now imagine them under threat, and that too from machines that nobody can see. That's how serious it is. And then there's Panama Canal, one very narrow passage connecting oceans, connecting economies. If that choke point is disrupted, even briefly, then global trade, it will slow down. Maybe it can choke too. Oil prices spike, shipping costs explode. In fact, shelves go empty, all without a single shot fired. And this is why Washington is alarmed, because these drones are not about battle. They are about pressure. Pressure without any fingerprints, pressure without any human life at cost. Here, power without stability is there, control without confrontation. China has not officially confirmed everything though. No dramatic announcement, no parades, just a quiet testing, quiet development, quiet confidence, and that silence. That's what scares strategists the most, because underwater warfare is a dark side of the modern conflict these days. No headlines, no warning sirens, just disruption. Military experts say that these drones, they can patrol for months, operate autonomously, strike without human presence. That changes deference, right? That changes strategy. That changes the balance at the sea. For decades, the US Navy ruled these oceans. Big ships, big fleet, big visibility. But now, small crews, they are being replaced by smart machines. The oceans, they are becoming chessboard. This is not about today's war, by the way. This is about tomorrow's leverage. Because when trade routes, they become weapons, when ports become pressure points, and when drones replaces the sailors, well, the next global crisis may begin silently. No explosions, no declarations, just ship that never arrive. And that's why China's secret mega drones, they are being closely monitored by the United States, because the biggest threat, it may already be underwater.